What if Europe stopped depending on US big tech or China to power its AI future? What if Europe built its own AI engine for hospitals, factories, energy systems and more? That shift is happening right now. The European Commission just announced a €1 billion plan, roughly $1.1 billion, to ramp up AI across major industries. And this is not a symbolic move. It is a sovereignty play. Europe wants control over its own technological future. Before we go deeper, make sure to like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. This new plan is called the Apply AI Strategy. It follows last year's rollout of strict AI rules, which a lot of startups said were hard and expensive to comply with. So now the EU is adjusting. They want innovation to move faster while still keeping safety standards in place. The Commission highlighted key sectors: healthcare, pharmaceuticals, energy, mobility, manufacturing, construction, agriculture, defense, communications, and culture. These are areas where AI can directly boost productivity, lower costs, and strengthen Europe's position in global competition. One example, the EU is planning AI-powered health screening centers to speed up diagnosis and treatment. Another, agentic AI systems in manufacturing and climate research that can optimize processes automatically. Not just conversational AI, operational AI built into the real economy. The money comes from Horizon Europe and the Digital Europe program, with the hope that governments and the private sector will match the investment. So €1 billion could quickly become much more. EU President Ursula von der Leyen said, "I want the future of AI to be made in Europe," and that says it all. Europe wants to build. Europe wants a seat at the table. Europe wants AI leadership, not dependency. If you want to understand how these moves could shift global tech power, watch the related video in the corner. It breaks down the stakes and what comes next. Like, subscribe and share this with someone who needs to stay ahead of the AI curve. And drop a comment. Can Europe actually catch up?